Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Binance step by step. First, open the Binance app and make sure you're logged in. On the home screen, tap on Buy Crypto. Here, you'll choose how you want to pay. You can use a card, bank balance, or other available methods depending on your country. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For example, you can choose USDT, Bitcoin, or any supported coin. Enter the amount you want to spend. Binance will automatically show you how much crypto you'll receive. Before confirming, take a moment to review the details, including fees and final amount. If everything looks good, tap Confirm. After the payment is completed, the crypto will be added directly to your wallet. That's it. Like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.